Welcome back, Volume 2 of Construction Corner with me, Mark Gulner, Executive Director, Temple Bat Yam. I'm excited to show you all the stuff that's gone on over the last 2 weeks. Let's go take a look. So as I mentioned in our last video, we're taking out the doors that were here and replacing them with the doors that were on the outside of our building. For those of you who remember, they were beautiful Tree of Life, and we're really happy and fortunate to repurpose those for the main entry doors into the Sun and Shine Family Sanctuary. Goodbye wood paneling, you won't be missed. The large area that you can see here has been removed so that we can add a very large Jerusalem stone model of the old city. The reason we're doing this is twofold. One, to have something beautiful for our members and guests to look at when they enter the synagogue, and two, to mirror the Jerusalem style wall that we already have inside the Sun and Shine Family Sanctuary. Also here will be the aggregate giving plaques that will recognize all of our donors over the last several decades here at Temple Bat Yam. It's important to remember why we're doing this project, and there's two real reasons. One, to create a beautiful new entry for our members and guests, and two, to make sure that when we do welcome you back, we do so in as safe a manner as possible. This new outdoor patio will be completely protected, as well as installing 2 new entry doors to the right that will have a padded security area to do bag checks, ID checks, and more. Follow me. One of the most exciting things that we learned over the last 2 weeks is that this beautiful California pepper tree will be able to be saved and enjoyed on campus for many more years. That's all the updates I really have for you over the last 2 weeks. Over the next 2 weeks, we'll start doing the drywalling inside. We'll pour some concrete and footings out here on the patio and much more. Again, it goes without saying that I want to thank all of our team. I want to thank Kraus Construction. I want to thank Brian and Bonnie Jeanette, our architects and amazing members. I want to thank all our donors. I want to thank our board. I want to thank our clergy. And I want to thank everyone for watching the video. Looking forward to sending you more positive messages soon. Stay safe, stay healthy. Have a good one.